Hi students, welcome back to our maths class. How are you? I think all are fine. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Are you ready for that? Then just listen here. What is meant by an algebraic expression? You already knows that using variables and constants we can form algebraic expression. Variables means every time its value will change. Normally x, y, z, l, m, n like the small alphabets we are using to represent the variables. Constant means normally whatever numbers we are using all comes under the constant. Then can you give one example for the algebraic expression? If you are writing x, that also an algebraic expression. X square plus 4x, y square plus 7y, that all comes under the algebraic expression. I have written some examples for the algebraic expression. 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, all comes under the algebraic expression. Next I am asking, what is mean by the coefficient? Coefficient means variables left side which number you have written, that is known as the coefficient. In the case 5x, in the case of 5x, 5 is the coefficient of x. In this example, coefficient of x is equal to 5. Here what will be the coefficient of x? That is equal to 2. Here 3 also there. If simply a constant number you are writing means its variable will be 3 into x raised to 0. You already studied that any number raised to the power 0, that means 1. If you are writing 2 raised to 0, that's equal to 1. 100 raised to 0, that also equal to 1. Therefore, simply a constant number here means its variable will be x raised to 0, because x raised to 0 means 1. Therefore, 3 into 1, again it becomes minus 3 itself. Therefore, if they are asking what is the coefficient of x0, what is the coefficient of x raised to 0 here, that is equal to minus 3. That sign also you want to note. X raised to 0. Here the coefficient of x is equal to 3. Here the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Here the coefficient of y square is equal to 1. If no number is written in the left side, that means I am writing x plus 5. Then what will be the coefficient of x here? No number written means here it will be 1. Therefore, coefficient of x is equal to 1. Next I am discussing the power of the variable. Power, what is its another name? Exponent of the variable. Exponent means if I am writing x square, therefore the power is equal to 2. Power is equal to 2. In the top of that variable, which number is written? That is known as the power. Power or exponent. If I am writing y cube plus 3, what is the power of y here? That is equal to 3. Power is equal to 3. Power is equal to 3. Like that. Then exponent or power means in the top of the variable which number is written, that is known as the exponent or power. Normally we are using power. That word itself we are using. Then I told this all are the algebraic expression. Then how we can make this as an algebraic equation, how we can make. What is the difference between an algebraic expression and an equation? In the equation means there will be an equal to sign also. If you are writing 5x is equal to 10, then this now it become an algebraic equation. Now it become an equation. If I am writing 2x minus 3 equal to 7, then this also now become an equation. Then algebraic expression means there is no equal to equality sign, but in the case of an equation we will write equal to some number or 0 like that. If I am writing 2x is equal to 0, this is also an equation. This is the difference between the algebraic expression and equation. Next, just listen here. For 2x minus 3 I have written. Then any difference between, I have written x square plus 1 and y plus y square also I have written. Any change between these four equations? by looking itself, we know that here the highest power of all the variables is equal to 1. Highest power of the variable is equal to 1. Here what is the highest power of the variable is equal to 2. Like that again we can write x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Like that enough equation we can write. Here the highest power will be 3. This where the variable's power, that highest power of the variable become 1. Like that equations are known as the linear equations. What is highest power of the variables? 1 coming, like that numbers, like that equations are known as the linear equations. Thus will be another one quadratic, 3 coming, cubic, like that you will study, that all you will study in the higher classes. Therefore, this we are discussing linear equation only. Now, this 3x plus y, xyz plus x plus y plus z. Just compare these two equations and those two equations. Any change are you feeling? Just look. Here we are using x only. Here also x. And if you want, I am writing here 3y minus 4 is equal to 3. This also. Here x only in this equation. Here y only. But in these two equations, x and y also there. Here x, y, z. Here how many variables are there? 2 variables we are using in one equation. Here we are using 3 variables in this. But in these 3 equations we are using, here y only we are using, here x, here also x. Only one type of variable only we are using. Like that equations are known as linear equations in one variable. Clear? Linear equation means highest power of the variable is equal to 1, and linear equation. One variables means in one equation we are using only one type of variable only. If x we are using, throughout that equation we are using x only. If y, we are using y only. Here and we are using x and y, x, y, z, different variables you are using. This is known as the linear equation in one variable. So our lesson's name is linear equation in one variable. All of you understood now? What is our lesson's name? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation means highest power of the variable is equal to 1. In one variable means only we are using one type of variable through that equation. I am using one example. Just look. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Is it linear equation in one variable? Highest power of the variable is 1 and x only we have used. Therefore, this is a linear equation in one variable. Therefore, this is the equal to sign. Therefore, in the left hand side some numbers are there. Left hand side its shortest form will be LHS. Here LHS is equal to what is 2x minus 3. RHS will be 7. RHS is equal to 7. Right hand side of the equation. That means RHS. Now, equation means if you are putting any value for this variable x, you will get one value. That we want to get equal, that is you want to get as 7. Then only you will get LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, then which value of x make this equation true? That value is known as the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. Which value of the variable makes this equation true? Or both LHS equal to RHS makes both LHS equal to RHS. That value is known as the solution of this linear equation. Then by looking itself we know that LHS how we can get 7. If you are giving x is equal to 5, then you will get 2 into 5 minus 3. 10 minus 3, that's equal to 7. Now you got LHS 7. Then RHS also, you already knows RHS equal to 7. Now LHS you got RHS. Therefore x is equal to 5. After putting x is equal to 5, your equation becomes same. Therefore x is equal to 5 is the solution of that linear equation. Without doing this, how you will get? Next look. Again I am showing how 2x minus 3 equal to 7. This I told how you will get, just to be find out some value and we find out. But normally what will be the step? 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Next we want to take this minus 3 to the equal to right side. Therefore 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. That is 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. That's equal to 5. Therefore 5 will be the solution of this. Next you want to check. You got x is equal to 5 is the solution. You want to check this is correct or not. Then what we will do? LHS we will do. What is LHS? 2x minus 3. In the place of x you will give 5. 2 into 5 minus 3. That is 10 minus 3. That you got 7. LHS you got 7. RHS also 7. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore x is equal to 5 is the solution of the given linear equation. Is it clear? If minus, next I am taking one more example. 2x plus 6 is equal to 12. Previous example here it was minus. Then what will be the solve? Then 2x is equal to plus 6. If you are taking to the right side, it will become 12 minus 6 plus 6 become minus 6. That is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2. That's equal to 3. Therefore our value is, solution is 3. Then you want to check is it correct. What is the LHS? 2x plus 6. Then 2 in the place of x you want to give 3. 2 into 3 plus 6. Then 6 plus 6 you got 12. That is the RHS. That is equal to RHS. Therefore our answer is correct. Then what you understood? If the left side plus is there, if you are taking to the right side of the equal to sign, it will become minus. If it is minus there, if you are taking there, it will become plus. Next we can look, multiplication is there. I am writing 4x is equal to 16. Then you want to find the value of x. Solve 4x is equal to x is equal to, here multiplication is there. If you are taking this 4 to that side, it will become division. Then 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. Then if division is in the left side, just look, x by 5 is equal to 6. Then you want to find x value. Here division is there. If you are taking to the right side, it will become multiplication. That is 5 if you are taking, that will become 6 into 5. That's equal to 30. This is the main rules for if you are taking one number to the other side, left side to the right side. Next I am solve. Next question, solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is our question. Solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. You already knows that x value you want to find out. Therefore x by 3 you want to keep to the left side of the equation. Then we are taking this plus 5 by 2 to the right side. Here already minus 3 by 2 is there. Plus 5 by 2 if you are taking there, that will become minus 5 by 2. Clear? Plus 5 by 2 if you are taking, that will become, then you got minus 8 by 2. Then x by 3 minus 8 by 2 means minus 4. Then x by 3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to, division is there if you are taking, minus 12. Clear now? Then you want to check the answer is correct or not. Then what is the LHS? X by 3 plus 5 by 2. Then x by 3, x you want to give minus 12. Minus 12 by 3 plus 5 by 2. Minus 12 by 3 means minus 4 plus 5 by 2. Then you can write this 4 by 1. Minus 8 plus 5 by 2. That is equal to minus 3 by 2. That is equal to RHS. Now LHS equal to RHS you got. Therefore x is equal to minus 12 is the solution of that question. Clear now? I will show one more example. Just listen. Solve 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. Then you want to find the value of x. Then that term we can keep here. That is minus 7x is equal to 9 already in the right side. We want to take this 15 by 4 to the right side. Therefore that will become minus 15 by 4. Then you already know 9 we can write as 9 by 1. Therefore its LCM will be 4. Therefore you want to multiply here with 4. 4 into 9, 36 by 4 minus 15 by 4. 36 minus 15 means 21 by 4. 21 by 4. Then again look, minus 7x is equal to 21 by 4. Therefore x is equal to, here into going on. Therefore, if you are taking this minus 7 to the right side, it will come to the denominator or in the division part. Therefore, 21 by 4 into minus 7. That is 21 by minus 28. We can write this in the standard form or lowest form also. Both we can 3. Both we can cut by 7. 28 divided by 7 means 4. 3 by minus 4 or minus 3 by 4. In that negative sign we can put in the numerator or denominator. Anywhere we can put. Now you got minus 3 by 4. You got x value. Then you want to check this value is correct or not. How we can check? First we can write LHS 15 by 4 minus 7x. In the place of x, you want to give minus 3 by 4. 15 by 4 minus 7 into minus 3 by 4. Then 15 by 4, two negatives are there. Therefore, this will become plus. Minus 7 into minus 3 means plus 21 by 4. 21 plus 15, that is equal to 36 by 4. That you got 9. That is equal to RHS. Therefore, you got LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, our answer minus 3 by 4 is correct. Therefore, minus 3 by 4 is the solution of this equation. Okay, students, clear this. Just go through this and prepare a note also. We can meet on the next class. Thank you.